Hey everyone, welcome to ITeePK. In this quick video, I will show you how to uninstall the apps you have installed from Microsoft Store. So before proceeding, make sure you have liked and subscribed ITeePK and let's get started. In your start menu, just go ahead and type settings, open up the settings and navigate to apps section. In apps section, you will find an option install apps. From the list, just go ahead and select the app you want to uninstall that you have installed from Microsoft Store. Let's say I want to try uninstall the solitaire and casual games. Click on these three dots and then uninstall and again uninstall. Now it's uninstalling and the app has been uninstalled. Now let's quickly uninstall one more, that is the Roblox game I have downloaded from Microsoft Store and it has been uninstalled. That's perfect. Just go ahead, uninstall the app you don't want in your computer. So that's it about today's quick video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.